Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to activate your Walmart gift card online, step by step, in a simple and clear way. Step 1. Open your web browser or the Walmart mobile app and go to the official Walmart website. Sign in to your Walmart account. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your email address and a secure password. Step 2. Once you are logged in, stay on the home page and make sure your account information is correct. Walmart gift cards do not require traditional activation, but you can check and prepare your card for online use by adding it to your account. Step 3. Take your Walmart gift card and locate the card number and PIN. These details are printed on the back of the card. Gently scratch the security area to reveal the PIN if it is covered. Step 4. Go to your account wallet or proceed directly to the shopping process. Add the items you want to purchase to your cart and click on Checkout. Step 5. During checkout, select Gift Card as your payment method. Enter the gift card number and the PIN exactly as shown on the card. Step 6. Click Apply. The system will verify the card and apply the gift card balance to your order. If your balance covers the full amount, your purchase will be completed. If not, you can add another payment method for the remaining balance. Step 7. Review your order details and confirm your purchase. Your Walmart gift card is now successfully activated and used online. That's it for today's guide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful step-by-step tutorials.